The introduction phone call. Hello, thank you for calling Behavioral Health Services. How can I help you? Hello, my name is Suzanne Jones. I was referred to you by my primary care physician. She asked me to reach out because of some concerns I'm having. I'm afraid, embarrassed, and I feel overwhelmed. What are your concerns exactly, and when did they begin? I noticed that I have problems some years ago. I was in seventh grade when I realized I had been pulling hair from my eyelashes. At one point, I was biting my nails, but I was able to stop. I'm not sleeping and worrying about things until I'd cry. I did not notice I was doing it at first. When I did, I tried to normalize it. My mom embarrassed me one day at dinner about pulling my lashes, and I stopped instantly. I didn't have a problem. I could control it, or so I thought. My first year of college, I began pulling my hair again, leaving a missing patch of hair that I had to hide, and I worry that I will start to do that again. Suzanne, at times when you are pulling your hair, is there something going on in your life that is different from your normal life? Of course, many things, especially when you have parents like mine who expect you to be perfect according to their idea of perfection. I feel forced to do what makes them happy with no concern for what makes me happy. It can take long periods before I really notice that I'm pulling my hair. The saddest part is that I don't even notice it occurring until I have a patch of missing hair. I did notice that when my first boyfriend, who I thought was also a friend, broke up with me and cut all ties, I started pulling again. But I can't tell you at what point it began to occur. It's scary that I have to hide missing patches of hair from my head because I can't resist my urge to pull my hair. Suzanne, can I ask you how you feel at the times when you feel the need to pull your hair, and how do you feel after pulling your hair? Well, my hair feels itchy and irritated. My heart also starts beating fast. I get this knot in my stomach. I feel so nervous and anxious. When I pull my hair, though, it's like instant gratification. My heart slows, the stomach knots pass, and then the itchy feeling goes away. Recently, I've had to accept that my behavior is not a normal thing, which has been one of the hardest challenges. How disappointing it must be to my parents that I am not normal, or better yet, that I am not perfect. My parents have so many expectations, and I am sad that I have been disappointing them. I am wise enough to know that something is not right, and I really need your help to figure it out. Suzanne, is there anything else you would like me to know? Now things in my life are going great. I am on track for graduation. I have such an awesome, supportive boyfriend. I am enjoying playing sports for my college, and it's been a few months since I pulled my hair. I just don't want to go back to pulling my hair and figure I need to put something in place just in case I notice the problem again. Okay, Suzanne, let's schedule you for another appointment so that we can work together to address your concerns. Okay, thank you so much. I will speak to you soon. Extra information: how my client may sound and feel. The client may sound low and defeated because of the fear she does not know when her hair pulling will show itself in her life again. She could also sound happy and upbeat because now everything in her life is going well. I think that Suzanne can articulate what is happening in her life. She has 3 years plus of college education, though she may have a hair pulling disorder known as trichotillomania. The patient's behavior is characterized by the recurring pulling of her own hair with hair loss and noticeable functional repair. Hair pulling disorders is what I looked over to try and explore what was going on with Suzanne because it's just her initial meeting.